Okay, this video is how to replace the wheel studs on a 801 tractor. So here you go, here's a 801. Excuse the camera. What you got to do on the shop manual, it talks about drilling a hole back here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. I'm looking in the sun. But anyways, you got a hole right here, see it? And you put your bolts in through the hole. Use one of your old studs to drop that bolt in. And then when you do that, hit it with some WD-40, like right here, okay? Then you grab yourself a nut and you put it on right there, okay?
Dad, I'll just record you and send it to you.
No, that's all right, buddy. Brian, take this wrench right here and hold it back here. Yeah, come on, son, please. Grab over here. Put that phone down. Hold this. No, don't record me. Here, hold this right here. Come on, hold the back of the, you want to hold the back of the stud there, okay? While you tighten it down, okay? And then you got to get your, you just got to bolt it in there with, okay, you got to move your hand, buddy. You got to, okay, start tightening it up.
Let me just reshoot it.
No, I ain't reshooting it.
You're not gonna post it with all this commentary going
Fuck it, fuck it. Oh yeah, throw the tractor in. Throw the tractor in. Well, be careful. Don't. If you put it in gear, make sure you have your safeties in there, okay? Because you could move the tractor, and eventually that stud will be going in. See that? Slowly going in with every turn. See that? And there's one thing here, okay? This is very dangerous. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, see this stud right here? Look. They shaved the end. They shaved the end of the stud there. See that?
Yeah, this one's being a lot more.
They shaved it off to sell the tractor, I guess. But the problem is
Dad, this one's got a problem.
this thing was being held in by two studs.
This is more tight than it should be.
It's held in by two studs. Hang on, let me work on it. Let me do the video. It's held in by two studs, and somebody could have died, especially when you got this big old tire right here that weighs, I don't know how many weighs, 200-300 pounds. So dig your hole, and it's in the manual to dig a hole. You can dig it anywhere you want, but the best thing to do was to dig it in between these two plates right here that hold it in. But you could have done it on the bottom if you wanted to, but there's nowhere to go to access the bottom. You could have maybe done it on the side here, but I think most people do it on the top, okay? And whatever you do, most new people to owning land are gonna buy an old used tractor. You don't want to give them something like this where they can get themselves killed, okay? Hope you got something out of the video. Replacing rear wheel studs on a Ford 801. See y'all later.